So let's talk bikini top alterations. And what I have in my hands here are different connectors. So this bikini that I bought secondhand already has the neck connectors. So what I want to do is I want to add in a center connector and then also a back connector. So what I want to do is I want to first add in the center connector, because what will happen is I'm going to end up cutting right here, folding these two ends back as I simultaneously loop it through this connector and then sew it right here. So then it will be fastened right here on either side. So I want to do that first and then add in the back connector to make sure that my measurements are on par. So the front connector, easy, no measurements to take. You don't really have to be exact because you have all this slack that's going to be tied in back anyway. So, and it's not like you can cut, you're just cutting in the middle. Another thing to keep in mind is there's different lengths of connectors. For example, you want to think about how much space you want in between. This connector that I'm holding in my hand right now is about 1.5 inches. If you can see that, just to give you a frame of reference. So this is the back connector. This back connector is 13 inches, as you can see. And what 13 inches looks like draped across the back is like this. So then same deal. You want to cut right here, make a little loop like so, and then put in your side connector bracket and then sew that in. So it's the same deal. And the nice thing about the back connectors is you have a way, oh, that's why some of it fell off. You have this is the back connector, right? All right, so this is what it looks like end to end, and how you get into your bikini. They're really smart, and they put this little latch right here so you can take it off and take it on, put it back on when these two brackets are sewed into the back of your bikini. So I got these connectors off of Etsy. The store that I went to was Barely Visible Bikinis, and they have really good shipment times. I ordered all of my connectors and they came in the mail in like 2 days, which is really awesome. And then what else? Oh yes, from the previous video I showed you how I put the side connectors on, and you can see this was the previous side connector, and I didn't like it because the side connector on this side connector is shorter, so it only went to about 3/4 of my hip, and then there was material, and I like the look of having a draped rhinestone all the way connecting from the front to the back without a little piece of material. So let me give you these measurements as well so you have an idea when you're shopping for connectors if a connector is going to reach all the way from the front to the back. So this connector is about 4.5 inches, and this doesn't go all the way to the back. The new connector that I put on is 7.5, and that goes all the way around. So if you're looking for connectors, for side connectors, look for something that's 7.5 if you want it to reach all the way around. For center connectors, depending on how much you want, how much space you want, the one that I just showed you was 1.5 inches. And then you saw this back connector, which was 13 inches. So now you have an idea of what the dimensions look like. I know in a lot of areas we don't, I'm in Maine, so I don't have a place that I can go to try things on. So you're buying a bathing suit from somebody that's like a one-time deal, and it's kind of nerve-wracking. But I just wanted you to know that you can buy a bathing suit that's like $150 and then take it home and do your own alterations. So you know that you're gonna get exactly what you want.